Tara, celebrate na tayo ng New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Kainan na, nakahanda na yan. Ito pwede ng kanin or gusto nyo pure lang yan kainin. And then you have bread. Okay. That's it. Ito talaga gusto ko, fruit salad. Tsaka ito, spaghetti. Spaghetti sauce. Sauce pa lang, pagkain na. Wala pa yung pasta dyan. Tapos ito yung ulam. Ito yung bread. Okay. That's it. Bye-bye. 2023. Hello 2024. Good health. Good wealth, safe and happy. Peace to the whole earth.